In this video tutorial, I'm going to show how to assign appraisal right in TPAD system. First of all, you log into HOI or HOI account. For example, you can see here I have logged to the account of the head teacher of Guerrilla Primary School. Then on the left side, the menu, you have appraisals, calendar of activities. If you read from the top, others are there on the top, and you go down up to where we have institutional setup, and then you click that institutional setup, and a sidekick menu appears whereby you select manage teachers. In manage teachers page in this institution, you will be able to see all the teachers in TPAD of that institution, and in this case we have only one there who is visible, excluding the head teacher. For you now to assign the right, you must check that box there on the starting of where we have the full names, then move to the right side, farthest right side. You push the page until you are at the head. Then you can see this teacher is an appraiser of the institution, as he has been given the right by the head of institution. Clicking on the side on the column of actions, you click actions there, you can see revoke appraisal right. Now if I revoke, the appraiser will not be having the right to appraise. But if already you don't have the right to appraise, you will see here assign appraisal right, and then you click that, and it will become the person now, or the teacher is now going to be the appraiser. I'm not going to do that, but I have shown up to the end place where you are going to do that thing. Following that instructions, those steps, you shall be able to do that. Thank you.